If you're over 60 and feel like you're getting weaker, your breakfast might be part of the problem. Many seniors start their day with toast, cereal, or maybe a piece of fruit. It feels light and easy, but it's missing something essential. To stop muscle loss, your first meal of the day must include at least 30 grams of high-quality protein. And the earlier in the day you get that protein, the better. In this video, you'll learn what to eat, why it matters, and how to build a muscle-saving breakfast starting tomorrow. Let's talk about what actually causes muscle loss after 60. It's not just getting older. It's a natural process called sarcopenia, but that doesn't mean it's unstoppable. Here's what's happening inside your body. After the age of 30, we start to lose a small amount of muscle each year. But after 60, this process speeds up, unless we actively do something about it. Your muscles need two key things to stay strong: resistance or physical challenge, like movement, walking, or lifting. Protein, the raw building blocks for repair and growth. Without those two, your body shifts into breakdown mode, and the first place it looks for fuel? Your muscle tissue. Especially in the morning. After 8 to 10 hours without food, your body is already breaking down muscle for energy. If you skip breakfast or eat only carbs, that breakdown continues, silently, day after day. You might not notice it at first, but over time, it becomes harder to stand up, carry groceries, or stay balanced. That's how silent muscle loss creeps in. But the good news? It's reversible, with small daily actions. And your breakfast is the perfect place to start. So, what should your breakfast actually look like if you want to stop losing muscle? The key is simple. Give your body at least 30 grams of high-quality protein, first thing in the morning. This acts like a switch. It tells your body, we're not in breakdown mode anymore. It's time to rebuild. Now don't worry. This doesn't mean spending hours in the kitchen or following a complicated diet. Here are 3 easy breakfast ideas that work especially well for seniors. Option 1. 2 scrambled eggs with 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Together, that gives you over 30 grams of protein. It's filling, quick to make, and supports your bones and muscles without spiking your blood sugar. Option 2. A protein shake with almond milk, 1 scoop of protein powder, and a spoonful of peanut butter. This is perfect if you're not very hungry in the morning. Just blend and go. And yes, my favorite shake is linked below the video. Option 3. 1 cup of cottage cheese with a handful of walnuts and blueberries. This option is high in casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps your muscles nourished for hours. None of these meals take more than 5 minutes, but they can make all the difference in how strong you feel throughout the day. Choose one that feels doable for you, and make it a part of your morning routine. Not perfect, just consistent. That's how you protect your muscle strength, one breakfast at a time. Now, before you change your routine, let's talk about what not to do. Because most seniors aren't skipping breakfast entirely. They're just choosing the wrong foods. Here are the 3 most common breakfast mistakes that silently speed up muscle loss. Mistake number 1, just toast or cereal. It's quick and familiar, but nearly all carbs. There's little to no protein, which means your body stays in breakdown mode. This is one of the biggest missed opportunities to protect your muscles. Mistake number 2, just fruit and coffee. Fruit might feel light and healthy, but on its own, it gives your body sugar, not the amino acids your muscles need. Without protein, your body continues to pull from your muscle stores. Mistake number 3, not eating at all until lunch. Many seniors just aren't hungry in the morning, or they wait until lunchtime to eat. But by then, your body has gone 12 to 14 hours without fuel. And during that time, muscle tissue is being broken down. The solution? You don't need a big meal, just a small, protein-rich one. Even half a shake or a few bites of Greek yogurt can shift your body into repair mode. Small changes make a big difference, especially when you're over 60. Starting with 1 protein-rich breakfast is a great step. But to really protect your muscles, it needs to become a daily habit. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't skip it because it keeps your mouth healthy. The same goes for breakfast. Protein in the morning keeps your muscles strong. And the best part? It gets easier the more you do it. At first, you might forget. You might not feel hungry, but your body will adjust. You'll notice you have more energy, better balance, and less fatigue throughout the day. Don't aim for perfect, just aim for consistent. Pick one breakfast option and stick to it for a full week. Put a note on the fridge. Make it the night before if that helps. Whatever keeps it simple and repeatable. Because real change happens in the little things you do every single day. I know a lot of health videos out there are 20 minutes long, filled with fluff and hard to follow advice. That's not what I'm here for. On this channel, I keep it simple, senior-friendly, and actionable. Every video gives you just one thing you can do today to protect your muscles and feel stronger without wasting your time. And now I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you struggle with when it comes to staying strong after 60? Leave a comment, and I'll turn it into a future video just for you. Thanks for watching. I hope today's tip helps you feel just a little bit stronger tomorrow. If you want more practical advice like this, take a look around my channel. You'll find simple science-backed videos made especially for seniors who want to stay strong and independent. And in the description below, I've linked some of my favorite products, like protein shakes and supplements I personally recommend for muscle health. See you in the next video. Until then, stay strong and take good care of yourself.